drill tower. We've drilled down to 2,485 meters, and now we're pulling the drill head up. As we're pulling the drill head up, we're reaming it, so we're getting it a little bit bigger. We're fine-tuning the size of it. What we're doing now is we're drilling a 27-hour hole as our first hole. 27 hours meaning it'll freeze back to our minimum size to actually install our equipment in the home. What I'm doing is monitoring the systems. I've got temperatures that I'm monitoring. I've got pressures that I'm monitoring. I can change all these graphs and set and watch any of these variables. So here I'm watching my distances. I've got several ways to measure exactly how far we're drilling. Here I'm monitoring how wide the hole is. We're currently at 0.5318 meters. But that'll get a little bit bigger as we go up because our measuring calipers are actually above our nozzle as we're coming up.
Look at it.
This graph is representing the depth of our pump below the water line. We want to make sure that we are keeping it in the water at all times. As we're pulling the hose out, the water level is dropping, so we're filling it back in with water from camp to keep the depth of the water kind of consistent.
So does that mean that when you melt the ice, the volume of the melted water is a lot less than the volume of the ice that you melted?
Well, that's a factor, but also the displacement of all our equipment in the hole. So as we're pulling it out of the hole, there's a lot less hose in the hole, and the water level drops.
From the volume of the hose itself?
From the volume of the hose itself.
Cool. Thank you, Dave.
Okay.